obviously this thing can't really hit any whoop sections because there's no clearance, but you know, for trails like this, it does pretty good. You know, a little low clearance here. Gotta make sure we stay nice on the trail. EcoBoost does fantastic out here. Absolutely amazing. I'm not sure if the Mustang's it'd be kind of unfortunate, but you know, it's not really my car, so it's whatever. Got another big little loop here to come around. Make sure you get that clearance. There you go. Sideways on this portion here. Okay. It handles very well. You think you're gonna slide out, all those stereotypes about Mustangs, but it does pretty good. All right. Trees and shit, the scenery. Next time we're gonna bring out a GT350R. See how that does out here. Look. Quite the terrain we got here. Unfortunately, I gotta avoid all these things that I would hit with my truck, but you know, it is what it is. So this is gonna be a designated off-road vehicle for now until the Tacoma is complete. It is officially now at Louis, and it's gonna get built. So this is gonna be the replacement. That little tip here does very well. Does very good. Very good. Hey, you guys aren't allowed to be out here. What is it? Sponsored by Liquid Death. I'm kidding, but if you guys want to sponsor us, that'd be kind of cool. Because you know, I do drink water every day, kind of a necessity. Dude's quarter here. It's Liquid Death. We're not drinking and driving. It's Liquid Death. Handles much better than my Tacoma. EcoBoost, whoa, this thing's got some kick to it. EcoBoost, convertible Mustang, fantastic handling, 100% Dune approved. You guys got to give it a try.
You heard it here.
Make sure you don't buy one though, rent it.